kusetshenziswe kule ndawo. Bona abantu abakhona kusatha namhlanje nakhona nakhululeka. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Could never say. Nothing possible simple. Nothing possible juice. Nothing possible cigarette. Simple talent is so broken. God is healing. God is saving his own. God is delivering you. Then we say God. Nasura nyabas namhlanje kusale. Nasura. Jesus. Hallelujah. 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 Salunga zinto. Sanibuleka izintaba. Awuthatha kathaka. Awukijoka noSathane. Sawubona sikaSathane zonke. So God is lifting up his people. Uyahofya abafundi labantu abamoyina. Sakojuka ngoku. Hey. Hey! Uyaphila loNkulunkulu. Ipromotion yakhe ile. Angilithe. Elimana abantu elimanabo. Ilithe lambobeli is a sure foundation. And those that believe and trust in him shall be lifted. Eshasha uzapha ngaphambili. Ayikho uzapha ngaphambili. From this day forward, if I be a servant of Elohim, I heighten from this level to the higher level. I full moon in once more.